Hello everyone, welcome to our AWS learning series. So in today's video, we are starting right from the basics with an introduction to cloud computing. So let me explain in simple terms what is cloud actually. For example, I'm explaining to you from the basic level. For example, imagine we have a computer at home. All of you know about, all of you have, I think. So, and we want to store all our photos, videos, and documents, but your computer has limited space. What do? You upload them to Google Drive or iCloud, right? So that's the cloud actually. Cloud means instead of storing or running everything on your personal device, we use the internet to access powerful computer owned by companies like Amazon, AWS, Google, or a Microsoft. They provide services like storage, servers, databases, and more on rent. So we can buy that and we can store our data in that. So we don't need to buy expensive computers or build our own data centers. We simply use someone else's infrastructure via the internet and pay only for what we use. So this is actually cloud. Cloud it refers to the delivery of computing services like server storage, like I told you about storing the database, networking software, and more over the internet. So instead of owning our own servers or physical hardwares or data centers, so we can rent access to anything from the applications of storage from a cloud providers like AWS. So it allows for faster innovations, flexible resources, and economics of scales. So we only pay for the services we use, helping it help us to reduce operating costs and scale as your needs to grow. Second one, why cloud? So why cloud? Cloud computing offers several benefits that make it preferred choice for individual and organizations. So let's take a real life example. So think about Netflix. So do they store all their movies? No on computer. Of course not. They use cloud servers to store and deliver videos to millions of people all over the world. So it is cost efficient. We don't need to buy expensive hardware. It is scalable. We can increase or decrease resources based on our needs. Like we can add extra chairs during a party. So this type of things. It is scalable and it is accessible. We can use it from anywhere in the world. So it is secure and reliable. Cloud providers offer strong security and data backup for that. I told you the previous session also about the backups, and it always up to date. No, we don't need to manually update the software. So basically, cloud makes life easier and cheaper and faster for both students and companies also. That's why we are using cloud. So it also offers security, automatic software updates, and global accessibilities, empowering business to innovate faster without worrying about infrastructure. So that's why we are using Think. The third one, we have different types of cloud models. It has different types. For example, we have IaaS, infrastructure as a service. IaaS, it is likely, for example, if we are renting a pizza on the and ingredients. So we make the dough, we cook the pizza ourselves, and we don't need to build the kitchens. So in technical terms, we rental virtual machines and we storage from AWS and we manage the rest. For example, AWS EC2, these all are the services. So I will tell you about this in another session. So these are all the services. We will implement also this. And the second one, it is a platform as a service. It offers a platform allowing developers to build application without managing the underlying infrastructure. So, for example, it is like ordering a half-ready pizza base, and we just add our toppings and bake it. It's a platform ready. For technical term, it is a platform ready. So we just build the application. It is AWS Elastic Beanstalk. We need to build our application. We don't need to manage the infrastructure and all those things. And third one is a software as a service. So it is like ordering a pizza from the Domino. We just eat and enjoy. We don't need to bake, and we don't need to purchase ingredients and all those things. We just eat and enjoy. So it is a software as a ready to use. So no setup needed. For example, we are creating the account on Gmail. We don't need to set up anything, how we manage the server, how the things backups go. No, nothing. We have to just create the account and we use it. We are using, as I said, Google Documents, Gmail, and all those things. These are the example of this. This is also most important services in the cloud. And types of cloud deployments. Cloud deployments refers to how cloud environments are set up. So now let's talk about the how setups the how cloud environments are set up. So first one is public cloud. So public cloud means it's offered over the public internet and shared among multiple users. Example include AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So it is like a shared computer lab anyone can use, but our data is separate. You are using, for example, companies giving the laptop to everyone. So I am using on the different person, you are using the different person. It means we all have separate data, but we are using the shared internet connectivity. We can say that like that. So second one is a private clouds. Private clouds means an environment dedicated to a single organization. So actually it offers more control and security, but can be costlier also. It is like having our own personal computer lab. So only our school or colleges use it. So it is more secure, but also more expensive. So third one is hybrid cloud. It is a combination of public and private cloud environments, and it allows to business keep sensitive data in a private cloud while using the public cloud or less critical services. So it's like we are using a personal laptop for exam and the lab computer for practice. So we get the best of both worlds, private and public combines. So these all are the things which I told you about the cloud computing. In the next lecture, we will start the AWS. And so today we covered what is cloud, why it's useful, and what's the models of the clouds, and types of cloud deployments. So this is just the beginning of our AWS learning journey. So in next videos we will dive deeper into AWS services and hands-on practices also. So if you are really excited to learn AWS and cloud computing in a beginner-friendly way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.